Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Legend of Korra Season 1, Episode 5. I just watched the Episode 4 if you want to see my reaction video about that. I'm gonna put the link into the eye. Maybe go watch this video and in particular the intro if you want to know why I'm not gonna move my hand from this place during the entire video, because of the fact that I was operated, because of the fact that it was more complicated than planned, because of the fact that I have this splint for 1 month and it seems nothing, you know, it's only one finger, but during an entire week it was all of the hand that I had blocked, you know. And it was a little surgery because it's on a little finger, but it's a big surgery because at the end I have 7 things, you know, on a little finger like that. I have 7 things because really they cut the finger. I'm trying to make jokes about it, but you know, mentally it's a little complicated and physically the pain is okay, but I think that my body is taking all of the pain for itself, you know, and is dealing with it well because it's not making me feel the pain, but it's demanding me a lot of energy. And during all of the first week after the surgery, I was exhausted. I slept so much. For the first days, okay, it's because of the anesthesia, but after that, no, I really think that I needed to rest, that my body needed to rest to deal with the pain, that my mental also health needed to rest to deal with the fact that the surgery didn't go as planned, that I had to be blocked like that during entire months. I already had issues with this hand, with this finger since years, and mentally, you know, it's complicated to go back to a situation like that. For me, it's like I'm coming back years ago, and mentally it's complicated. So that's why during the last episode and also during the episode of Death Note that I watched today, it seems that today I'm a little mad, or at least I'm easily mad at people, at situations, that everything can make me mad. I thought, you know, during the intro of the last episode that I could be more emotional than usually, which means a lot, you know, if you know me, if you are watching my reaction videos. I'm an emotional person, but I know that when I'm like that, tired, you know, inside and all, I can be more emotional, and I thought that it was going to be the case. It seems that it's not the case, and that I prefer anger than tears and crying. Why not? You know, I'm not judging myself. I'm living it fully, entirely. I'm being honest with you on the intro and on the review with how I'm feeling and all. Again, because I know that it can impact the way that I'm watching one episode. I really think, you know, that what is happening in our lives, it's impacting the way that we're watching a show, a movie, that we are reading a book. Like, we are really watching things differently if we are in a good mood or in a bad mood. Like, I think that you already told to yourself, no, that movie, I'm not gonna watch it today because I'm not in the good mood for that. Movie with things that you are not gonna like, and for that night you preferred, you know, a cheerful movie like a comedy or something like that. We all thought stuff like that, so it's logical for me to tell you when I'm feeling like that, because I don't want you guys to be worried about the fact that I'm not moving like usually and that I'm into that kind of mood. It's not usually the mood that I have on videos, but also to explain to you these reactions. I'm making reaction videos, but I'm not always on the same mood. It's lying to people to say that reactors that are sitting, you know, on their couch just like that, and they are always on the same mood, and they are always happy, excited about stuff and all. No, we are leaving stuff into our private life. So I'm not telling you all of the details about my private life. Right there, I'm not telling you all of the private stuff related to the issues, the health issues, the mental things, you know, that I'm dealing with and all. I'm not saying all of that to you, all of the details, but I'm telling me to you still because it can impact my way of reacting to the show. It's logical. Or at least for me it is. See? I'm into that kind of mood. Even right there, I was beginning to be mad at you for maybe telling to me that I was wrong to say all of that to you. See how it's gonna be today and for that video. Luckily, it's the last one that I'm gonna film today. Luckily for you and for me. Maybe we're gonna see each other again for the next episode and I'm gonna be in a better mood. Okay, for the show on itself, I said it during the intro of the last episode. That's it, I love this show. I saw that during the editing. I can't lie to myself. I know how I'm reacting, and when I have that kind of smile, that kind of reactions, you know, watching a show, I know that it means that I love it. And I love it already for the stories, for the characters, which are great, but that I don't love yet. I'm beginning to have some preferences, but I don't love them yet. But I love the stories, I love the drawings, yes, which are different from Avatar: The Last Airbender, but for the kind of drawing that it is, it's so great, it's so well done. For the music, they are so great, I love them. They are really impressing me a lot. I saw that also during the editing. And yes, that's it, I'm in love with this show. I have some preferences for some characters, like I love Bolin. It's fun and all. Oh, I said I love Bolin. Ah, we'll see if I'm confirming it to you during the next episode or not. But yes, I'm beginning to love this character. It's maybe more correct because of the fact that he's fun and he's sweet, and I love his relationship with his brother Mako. I really like that kind of relationship, you know, brother relationship. I feel, I know myself, that I can ship really quick, if it's not already the case, Mako and Korra together. Like, I was almost jealous for her, you know, during the last episode, the fact that Mako was flirting with a new girl. Asima? I didn't remember that. I have some trouble with the names, we have a lot of them. But yes, Mako is great, why not, but he needs to open himself a little more, I think. Even if he already said a lot of stuff, you know, about his parents, about his relationship with his brother. Yes, I don't know what I'm expecting, you know, more coming from him. Korra, she's great, she has a strong personality and she has a big mouth, and I love that kind of character. But I said it, she has also a strong ego, so she needs to calm down a little. And she did it at the end of the last episode. She confessed ending that she was scared. I had some little tears at the end of the last episode, but I'm not considering them as my first tears for The Legend of Korra. You know me, if you watch my reaction videos of Avatar: The Last Airbender, you know how it is when I'm tear bending. So you know that it was not it. Let's keep that for later, you know. When it's gonna be the first episode for me to use my tear bending for The Legend of Korra, you and me, we're gonna be sure of it. We're not gonna ask the question, you know. So yes, I'm excited. One more episode today. That's gonna be great. I don't know if it's gonna be about Amon again. The guy, I think that is around the age of Tenzin, something like that. The flashbacks that we had, the visions, I don't know if it was related to Aang because of Korra or to Amon. They talked about Aang who fought Yakone, something like that, someone like that, excuse me, 42 years ago, which could mean that maybe Amon is his son. I don't know, for me maybe it can be something related like that. Amon can be related to that Yakone, to that story that we don't know yet. But I don't know if we're gonna deal with that during this episode. It could be interesting to deal with other stuff, you know, to not only be focused into that story. We have also the tournament, you know, which is coming. We have also the triads to deal with. We have also Korra's journey as the avatar. Let's go for this episode 5. I don't know why, you know, it has been, I think, 5 episodes or more than that I'm filming, and that each time I'm finishing with this weird accent. I don't know why. Oh, and like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can find the episodes earlier. For the Legend of Korra, it's 2 weeks sooner, and with an extended or a full reaction part. I'm gonna finish by singing it, you know. You are my Patreon. No. No. You don't want that, I don't want that, no one wants me to sing. Really? Oh. Bolin. No, not a triangle.
These new uniforms look great. You look great, champ.
They're cute.
There they go. Here we are, all alone in the gym. Just you and me.
It's so nice, Bolin. Don't break his heart. Oh, no, I don't like that triangle, that square, that's... Oh no.
What do you think of Korra? No, girlfriend sort of way. I think it makes more sense for me to go for a Sami. I was talking about a girlfriend for me.
You talked with your heart.
It doesn't seem like a good idea for you to date Korra. You just said she was great 2 seconds ago.
For him?
I don't know if she's really girlfriend material. She's more like a pal. Bro, you're nuts.
Oh!
You and I are perfect for each other.
I took that personally.
She's beautiful. I'm gorgeous.
Yes, you are.
Okay, I don't care what you think. I'm gonna ask Korra out.
Oh, I need my 2 hands too.
Talking about real love.
No.
Years ago, I was in the exact same situation with Tenzin.
Really?
So shy and scared of rejection, but watching my soulmate spend his life with the wrong woman became too painful. Confessed my love to Tenzin. And
You were brave.
Oh.
I'm the same.
Tonight is the first set of matches in our single elimination.
The entire episode is gonna be about the tournament?
You were really connecting out there in that ring.
Yeah. You know, I feel like the two of us have been connecting really well out of the ring, too. I think we should spend some time together.
We've been spending lots of time together.
That's not what she meant.
I don't know. Asami and I.
Look, I really like you, and I think we were meant for each other.
I'm really sorry, but I just don't feel the same way about you.
Forget I ever said anything.
I don't love that triangle.
So, Korra, how's
Even
the
less
day?
this one.
You and me.
Don't play with his heart.
Very date-worthy.
Smartest, funniest, toughest, buffest, talentedest, incrediblest girl in the world.
And you're the nicest guy.
You know what?
What? I hate that.
Okay.
The luckiest guy in the world, right here, Bolin.
You're gonna make me mad. No, I love too much this brother relationship. I don't want Korra to be in the middle of it. That's... He has a good look, you know? How he's dressed and the drawing.
Well. Isn't a fact, ferrets?
Okay, I don't like your voice and your attitude.
You know, if you'd like to learn how a real pro bends,
Keep your distance.
private lessons.
You want to go toe-to-toe with me, pretty boy?
Don't.
Don't.
He's just trying to bait you. You hit him, we're out of the tournament.
Don't! You have something to say, pretty boy? It's supposed to be like the Eiffel Tower? Oh, Bolin.
What kind of game are you playing?
Pro bending. We've got a quarterfinal match.
You got him all in a tizzy, and I know you're only using him to get back at me.
Not everything is about you. Which?
Not for my little brother. I don't want to see his heart get broken.
Me neither!
You're jealous.
Boss.
You have feelings for me.
What?
Hey, you're pushing it too hard.
Admit it. You like me.
No.
Like really, you're pushing it too hard, Korra.
You're thinking about me.
Crazy.
You're a liar.
You're not honest. And I'm mad at you. Not too good to make me mad, guys. And now you're gonna lose because you're not connected anymore.
What is up with you two? Alright, whatever. Just pull it together, guys.
It's so nice.
Not sure what's eating them, but this is not the same team who took out the Wabaroos. The Fire Ferrets win the coin toss. Which element do you choose?
I got
Oh,
this.
that's
I
how
know
you...
can handle
Okay.
these, but frankly, your head's not in the game.
Yes.
I'm gonna take this one.
Yes. Come on, Bolin. I believe in you. That's it, I love you.
Bolin strikes from midair, knocking Chen to the edge of the circle.
Come on, Bolin.
Another strike from Bolin, and Chen's in the drink.
You can thank him and be ashamed of your attitude.
We need to talk.
Be careful with the words that you're gonna use.
As much as you drive me crazy, I also think you're pretty amazing.
So, you do like me?
Yes, but
I know I'm right to ship you, and I know my heart, I ship you. But what you're doing is wrong. It's worst! You have a girlfriend, you know he has a girlfriend, you dated his brother. I'm gonna cry.
look what you did.
I know his tears are supposed to be fed.
You kissed me back!
Shut up, both of you! Oh.
Call me that.
Ah.
You're not my brother. The only one I can trust anymore.
I know it's supposed to be fun. Oh. I'm too emotional today to handle it well without crying.
You traitor.
Ah.
Guess we'll have to do this the hard way. Told you dating a teammate was a bad idea. You're a bad idea.
You're not honest. I have my first real tears for that situation. No! Fuck me.
And Mako plunges into the pool. Can the fire parents hold on?
I'm not in a good mood, I'm mad at them. I almost want to say that you deserve it.
They have got to pull themselves together, folks, for round 2. Otherwise, they can kiss the finals goodbye.
Hey, watch it.
Okay, he didn't mean to, but it just...
Unnecessary ruckus. Move back one sock.
What now?
Back with the yellow fan. The ferrets are their own worst enemy right now. It's just sad to watch. With the buzzer
It's making me mad.
Well, I guess there's always next year.
Come on, we still have a chance, even if it is a slim one.
The way we're playing, we don't even deserve to be in the finals.
Look,
I agree.
we'll never forgive ourselves.
Let's just get this over with. The sooner the better.
Guys, I'm mad at all of you.
And Bolin takes a zinger to the shoulder.
Bolin?
Looks like it's a clean hit.
Are you okay? Now you're hurting him physically. He's already hurting to his heart. That's enough.
I'm sorry. Me too.
Of what? You're sorry? Of what, Bolin? You did nothing wrong.
The Avatar finally gains some ground. But with only 10 seconds remaining, it might be too little too late. Takes the big command.
No. No, I'm not gonna cheer and all. No.
Shoulder. Sorry. Thanks for not giving up on us. We never would have made it this far without you.
I know things are confusing right now, but I hope we can still be friends.
Definitely. You boys smell something in here?
Ah,
Yeah, that's a sign of losers.
you're so predictable.
I'm a healer.
Yes,
I'll
he
learn
is.
from Katara, the best there is.
No.
She landed from Katara, she landed from Katara. No tears, no tears.
Oh, then, I'm sorry I hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to let things get so out of hand.
I'll be alright. But we had fun together, didn't we?
I had a great time, honestly. You are one of a kind, Bolin.
It's the best. That's it, is my favorite.
Ferrets know a good doctor because they're gonna need one.
Ooh, it was an execution, not a fight. I wish I had my 2 hands for being mad at them and for making more moves to tell them how much I was mad and you should feel ashamed and shame on you and so that's bad for so many reasons. I'm sure that I'm supposed to love this episode because it's an episode about relationships, you know, ships and all, and I have the 2 of them confessing their feelings, and I told you that I was beginning to ship them. No, let's be honest, I'm shipping them, but no, that was wrong. And it's not only because I'm into that kind of mood today that I'm thinking so, it's really because it was wrong. They're confessing their feelings by screaming them at each other after playing, lying to Bolin, the sweetest guy on earth. I know that Korra didn't go on a date, you know, with him to manipulate him or to make Mako jealous and all of that. I don't think that she thought of it like that. She just wanted to have some fun, you know. I know that, but still, she played the game, you know, of the dinner after that, the drink after that, the Eiffel Tower, the romantic things and all. And she was glad, you know, that it made Mako jealous, and she was pushing Mako with that, for him to confess his feelings. You're not doing that to people, you're not pushing them to confess their feelings, not like that. And Mako, you were with your girlfriend being mad at your brother because he did that, even if sooner he asked you your opinion about it and you didn't tell him that you had feelings for Korra. You were not honest right there, but after that you were mad at him in a way because they went on a date. You were mad at her, but you are not saying her the truth. You lied, both of you, to Bolin, not saying what was happening during the game and all of that. You are confessing your feelings by screaming them at each other, being, that's not a way to do it, that's not nice. And seeing Bolin being like that, you're still fighting against each other. After that, oh, I'm gonna take care of Bolin. And when you're fighting Bolin, you're still searching a way for blaming him. You shouldn't date your teammate. Oh, you kissed her. You let her kiss you. I don't care. You do. Oh, that's not the right answer. I'm sorry, was the only one. You had it, but at the end. And because of the fact that Bolin is so nice that he already forgave you before that, he's saying that he's sorry, Bolin. Of what? Of doing what? He didn't do anything wrong. Don't look at me like that, I'm mad. I know they're freaking teenagers, they don't know how to deal with their feelings, they don't know how to express them, they're playing with feelings of other people. That's teenagers, I know, but it's bad. And the fact that they're doing that to Bolin is so nice. And he did everything right, you know. He asked to his brother for some advices. He let, you know, the door open for his brother to tell him the truth, you know. He asked some questions implying that he did what was right with Korra by complimenting her so much, by taking her on a date, by doing everything by the book, you know. He did everything right with the game, saving them, being like, okay, I don't know what is happening between you two, but I'm gonna take care of things, I'm gonna win for the team. After that, he wanted to be romantic again with Korra. He's surprising the two of them and he's not mad at them, no. He's crying and he's, you know, blaming himself in a way. He's still fighting with them. That's it. I love Bolin. And I'm still mad at you. I'm not like Bolin. I'm not going to be able to forgive you just like that. Oh man! What was that? That was bad. And it's killing me because I said during the last episode, during the review of the last episode, that I didn't want a triangle between these three because of the brother relationship that I love. I love so much brother relationship into shows and movies, but this one I can feel that it's a strong one, you know, the connection, it's really deep and Mako is really taking care of his brother and I love their relationship already, so it was killing me just to imagine it. It's really happening and it's all of the worst things possible which are happening. And Asami, she doesn't deserve that also, to have someone betraying her like that. Because I'm sorry, I consider that as a betrayal. Physically, you kissed her, but also with your heart, you're saying that you're not fully with your girlfriend. She doesn't deserve that, I'm sorry. And Korra, that's not great also. To push someone to confess your feelings, you have the right to confess your feelings, but to push someone to confess his or her feelings, it's wrong. To do that with Bolin, I know that she didn't do it on purpose, that date and all, but still there is something wrong right there which is bothering me. I'm glad that at the end they are all friends again and they are, you know, at peace with each other and all. That's great, they're gonna need that, you know, to win against that team, but that's bad what they are doing. I don't like that. It didn't improve my mood at all. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video because I have an appointment just right now that I don't want to miss. So it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.